So the big picture for this lesson is independent probability. Independent probability means the probability of a future event is not affected by the outcome of a past event. In other words, let's say you're talking about a deck of cards. Well, as you're drawing cards, as long as you put the card back each time, you're not affecting the probability of the next card. But if you don't replace the cards, you're changing what cards are remaining in the deck, and then that changes the probability of the next card. So for example, what is the probability of drawing a 2 with the standard deck of cards? Well, there are 4 2s because there's one for each suit. There's a club, heart, spade, and diamond. And there are 52 cards total, so probability of drawing 1 2 is 4 out of 52. So as long as I replace the card each time it's drawn, that probability stays the same. This is independent probability. So then what about drawing multiple cards? Probability of 2, then 2 with replacement each time is 4 out of 52 times 4 out of 52. Because as long as you're replacing the cards, those two events are independent. Now, if you weren't replacing the cards, it would be dependent probability, and that would be 4 out of 52 times 3 out of 51 if you weren't replacing the card. So what's the probability of drawing a 2 and then not replacing the card in the deck and then drawing another 2? That would be this calculation here. But we're not really getting into those in this course. We're just talking about independent probability. So the probability of a future event is not affected by a past event. So that's the big picture for this lesson.